to see Santa.
You like to see Santa?
Jason wants to see Santa.
Jace wants to see Santa too?
Yeah.
Yeah? Has he been a good boy too?
Yeah.
Did Santa have a picture of a dinosaur on there?
I want a dinosaur. I want a dinosaur.
You want a dinosaur?
Yes. There's a picture like a dinosaur.
Yep, those pants sure look like dinosaurs.
Yes. There's a picture like a dinosaur. He wants to see Santa.
Want to see Santa?
Yeah. Jason wants to see Santa.
Jace wants to see Santa?
Yeah.
All right.
All right.